Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Chrome is current and you're in the right profile. Once done, sign in so changes sync across devices. This prevents lost settings. Now open the three-dot menu, choose Settings, then Appearance. This is where Chrome exposes theme options. From here, you can either use the built-in Customize button or visit the Chrome Web Store for ready-made themes. Make sure Developer Mode is off unless you plan to create a theme extension. You'll now pick or build the look. If you want a fast change, click Customize on New tab, then Color and Theme and choose a palette. Apply immediately. For broader options, open the Chrome Web Store, search Themes, and hit Add to Chrome. Themes apply instantly and can include frame color and tab accents. If you need a custom image or exact hues, use a theme creator or an extension. Follow its prompts to export and install the resulting theme package. Finish by verifying the new colors across windows and profiles. Restart Chrome to ensure full application. If you dislike the result, return to Settings Appearance and click Reset to Default Theme. To create persistent custom themes, export and keep the theme extension. If the theme won't apply, make sure Chrome is updated, clear browser cache, and temporarily disable other extensions. Conflicts often block visuals. As a last resort, sign out, uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.